Everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do topic 62 of paper 2, where we are going to discuss methods of vegetative propagation. So what are the methods of vegetative propagation? Methods of vegetative propagation. So the first method is, or vegetative propagation, is through asexual propagation. It is asexual propagation, and the first method is through cutting. Here uninodal leafy shoot or root fragments, uninodal leafy shoot or root fragments that can develop adventitious roots and shoots respectively. They will be helpful in developing adventitious shoots and roots respectively. So what happens, we will cut a plant part and they will develop shoots, roots and shoots respectively. This is cutting, through cutting. Number second is through grafting. Technique used to unite different plants by bringing the cambium of each into contact. Here we unite different plants, we unite different plants by bringing the cambium of each into contact, by bringing cambium of each plant into contact, and then creating a situation under which surface can unite and grow together. And after this we will create a situation in which surface can unite, there will be unity of the surface and they will grow together. So it is, in grafting we know there is two parts, that is scion and root stock. Suppose this is the, let me rub a bit part of it. So this is, suppose, the upper part of plant, this is the scion, and the plant which will give you root is the root stock. So we'll just join these two, okay, and create certain conditions. So what happens, the scion, for example in mango, what happens in mango, for the varieties we want to grow, we will take the scion of the particular variety and the root stock of the well established variety of that region. Suppose this variety is not well established in this region, but this variety is of high quality, so we will, the root scion would be of that variety and the root stocks would be the variety that is well established in the condition, so that it can absorb nutrients and minerals. So this is what happens. It is the lower part of the graph, it is the above ground part of the graph that will provide new system. So this was grafting. Now third method is, let me rub it, layering. Layering. It is similar to cutting with the advantage that it is similar to cutting, but here we have an advantage that it detached from the parent only after development of roots. Here we detach it from parents only after development of roots. So what happens here, suppose this is a plant and its branch. So first there should be root growth here, and then we will cut this part and then grow this part. So this is what layering is. It is of three types. First one is mound or trench layering. Here soil is mounded to stem. Second one is simple or tip layering. Stems are lowered into soil. So what happens, suppose this is stem, so this is soil, stems will be lowered into soil, and then we will let the roots to grow and then cut. And third one is air layering. The stems are not covered by soil. Here the stems are in air and they grow, the roots are grown, so it is not covered in, stems are not covered with soil, and here stems are covered with soil. So this was about layering. The last type is, let me do a little bit of it, is macro propagation. Here small pieces of plant tissues are generated on artificial medium under sterile conditions. Here small pieces of plant tissues are regenerated on artificial medium using sterile conditions, and these are mainly disease free plants. And here in macro propagation we can grow a large number of plants at a single time. So these were some common methods of vegetative propagation. Now moving to next topic of this session that was asked in previous years, so we will deal with it, is the use of root stocks in fruit crop. Question. In fruit crop. Use of root stocks in fruit crop. So what are the use of root stocks in fruit crop? First of all is size and growth habitat. Growth habit. For example, in apple, they are dwarf, semi-dwarf and very vigorous root stock. There is dwarf, there is use of dwarf, semi-dwarf, very vigorous root stock. Second, they are used in precocity in flowering and fruiting. Precocity in flowering and fruiting. It is also influenced by root stocks. Example, slowness in vigorous root stocks. Example, you can see in there is slowness of flowering in vigorous root stocks. Slowness and flowering of fruiting in vigorous root stock. Third, they help in increase of fruit set and yield, increased fruit set and yield. There is good fruit size and quality. But in some disorders, what happens? They will produce large fruits, but the quality will be not up to the mark. But sometimes it happens. These things, large fruit with bad quality, but often there is good fruit size with good quality. There is better nutrient status is better using good root stocks. Let me wrap it. Winter hardiness, we can see winter hardiness. better withstand winter injury. They better withstand winter injury. They better survive during winter injury. There is good disease resistance, increased disease resistance. There is good ability to resist at soil adverse conditions. They have good ability to resist soil adverse conditions. They produce good root systems. For example, you can see that root stock produced very fibrous root system in apple. Root stock produced very fibrous root system in apple. So giving these examples are helpful. If you give some examples in your answer, they will enhance your marks. So that is all for today. I hope you understand topics taught today. For any queries, do comment. If you like it, please press the like button. Do share and subscribe. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.